Students, very good morning to all of you. Today I will talk to you about self concept. Let us see the topic. Self concept is one's mental image or a mental picture. Okay, ये जनकर mental picture को बुझाए, and it is a other psychologist said that it is a collection of a belief about oneself. जनकर belief कौन रही विश्वास कौन सब रही सेगुड़ाकर कलेक्शन को सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट कहती. So it is belief, it is one's opinion. Example, faith is God, faith to God. तो ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଥିଲା. ତ ବିଲିଭ୍ ସବୁ ତା ଭିତରେ କ'ଣ ରହିଛି ସେଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ସେଲ୍ଫ ତାର ସେଇଟା ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟରେ କାଉଣ୍ଟ କରାଯାଏ. ଏବଂ ଅଦର ସାଇକୋଲୋଜି ସେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ another psychologist said that it is ability of herself or himself. ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର ଆବିଲିଟି ସବୁ କ'ଣ ରହିଛି ତାର କୌଣସି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ପ୍ରତି କ'ଣ ସବୁ ଆବିଲିଟି ବା ସକ୍ଷମ ରହିଛି ତାହାକୁ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ କହନ୍ତି. ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅଲସୋ ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡେଡ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ ଆପିୟରାନ୍ସ, what type of looks to others, okay, what type of experience, what type of desire, what type of feelings. So it is included of the appearance, experience, desire and feeling also. तो सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट कहले बुझिले जे या जनकर मेंटल पिक्चर अटे. या मध्य कलेक्शन ऑफ बिलीफ्स ऑफ वन सेल्फ. इट इज एबिलिटी टू of herself or himself towards work some things. It is also included the appearance, experience, desire, feeling. Okay, so when anyone asks to you who are you, okay, so briefly description about the self concept. First we will understand about the self concept. So by example you will easily understand. Okay, तो ମୁଁ କିଛି ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଦେଇକି ତୁମକୁ ବୁଝେଇବି ତ ତୁମେ ସେଇଟା ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ବୁଝିପାରିବ. So first see that who are you. If anyone asked you who are you and what makes you, okay, you might answer with I am a mother, I am a therapist, I am a brother, I am a good friend. ଯେତେବେଳେ ତୁମକୁ କିଏ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କରେ who are you, ତୁମେ କିଏ, what makes you, ତୁମକୁ କିଏ ତିଆରି କରିଛି ବା ତୁମେ କେମିତି ହେଲ, ତ ତୁମେ ସଡନଲି ଗିଭ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ଏ ମଦର. ତୁମେ ଯଦି ମଦର ହେଇଥିବ ତୁମେ ମଦର କହିବ, କି ଥେରାପିଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲେ ଥେରାପିଷ୍ଟ କହିଥାଉ, କି ବ୍ରଦର ହେଇଥିଲେ ବ୍ରଦର କହିଥାଉ, ଗୁଡ୍ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଥିଲେ ଗୁଡ୍ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ କହିଥାଉ. and also maybe your answer with I am excellent at my job. ତୁମେ ବି କହିପାରିବ ଯେ ମୁଁ ଜବ୍ରେ ତୁମକୁ who are you, I am and what makes you, you will simple answer I am excellent at my job, I am a successful athlete. Okay, other response also becomes I am a kind of a hearted person, I am intelligent and hardworking person also say. तो যেতলে পচরা উচিত who are you and what makes you, then different answers comes. Okay, କେତେବେଳେ ଯେତେବେଳେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ I am mother କହୁଛ କି I am housewife, I am therapist, I am a brother, I am sister, I am a good friend, ଏଇ ଟାଇପ୍ର କୁହାଯାଇଥାଏ. କିମ୍ବା ଆନ୍ସର୍ ମଧ୍ୟ କହିଥାଏ I am excellent at my job, ମୁଁ ଜବ୍ରେ ବହୁତ ଏକ୍ସଲେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି, ମୁଁ ଆଥଲେଟ୍ସରେ ସକ୍ସେସଫୁଲ୍ ଅଟେ, I am a successful athlete. ଅଦର ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆସେ I am a kind of hearted person, I am a very intelligent person, I am very clever person, I am very hardworking, okay, person. ତେଣୁ ବହୁତ କଠିନ ପରିଶ୍ରମ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି, ଏଇ ଟାଇପ୍ର ଆନ୍ସର୍ ସବୁ ଆସିଯାଏ. So these response came from your internal sense, that is who are you. ତୁମ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ who are you ଯେତେବେଳେ ପଚରାଯାଏ ତ ଇଣ୍ଟରନାଲ୍ ସେନ୍ସରୁ ଏଇ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଆସେ ଯେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ମଦର କିମ୍ବା ଥେରାପିଷ୍ଟ, ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ହାର୍ଡ଼ୱାର୍କିଂ ପର୍ସନ୍, ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଭେରି ହାର୍ଟେଡ଼ ପର୍ସନ୍ସ, ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଏକ୍ସଲେଣ୍ଟ ଆଟ୍ ମାଇ ଜବ୍, ଏଇ ଟାଇପ୍ର ଆନ୍ସର୍ ସବୁ ଆସିଥାଏ. ସୋ ଦିଜ୍ ସେନ୍ସ ଡେଭଲପ୍ ଇନ୍ ଆର୍ଲି ଲାଇଫ୍. ଜନ୍ମରୁ ଏଇଟା କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ହୋଇଥାଏ. ସୋ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ କ୍ରିଏଟେଡ୍ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଦ ବାର୍ଥ. So it is automatically developed towards the old age stage. Okay, so early life ru it developed होइथाय, but it goes through the constant evaluation and adjustment throughout the life span. So एथरे आमे कोन करे ना constant evaluation करिथाउ of the action of daily life. हम daily life रे जे action करू जहाँ भी कार्य करूछे तार सब evaluation होइथाय. एवं also we adjusted through by the self concept to the situations, to herself or himself. ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ ଆଡ଼ଜଷ୍ଟ କରିଥାଉ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ ସହିତ ଏବଂ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟକୁ ଲାଇଫରେ ଯେକୌଣସି ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ ବି ଆସୁ ତା ସହିତ ଆଡ଼ଜଷ୍ଟ କରାଯାଇଥାଏ। ତ ମୋଟାମୋଟି କହିଲେ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି ଟୋଟାଲି ନା ଇଣ୍ଟରନାଲ୍ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସ ଯାହା ବି ଆସେ ନିଜର ନିଜେ ବି ଏଭାଲୁଏସନ୍ କରିଥାଉ ହେଲା। ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ କନଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଏଭାଲୁଏସନ୍ ଅଲସୋ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ଇଜ୍ ଦ କନଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଏଭାଲୁଏସନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଡ଼ଜଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଥ୍ରୁ ଆଉଟ୍ ଦ ଲାଇଫ୍। ଏ କନଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଏଭାଲୁଏସନ୍ କରିଥାଉ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ କ'ଣ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ସବୁ କରୁଛେ ଏବଂ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟରେ ଆଡ଼ଜଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ନ୍ୟୁ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ ସହିତ କେମିତି କରୁଛେ, ଓକେ, ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ କେମିତି ଆଡ଼ଜଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛେ, ନିଜର ଯଦି କୌଣସି ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ ବି ପରିସ୍ଥିତି କ'ଣ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ ଆସିଲା ତ ତା ସହିତ ଆମେ କେମିତି ଆଡ଼ଜଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ କରିପାରୁଛେ, ଓକେ। ଏବଂ ନିଜର ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ନୀତିଦିନ ଡେଲି ଲାଇଫ୍ରେ କ'ଣ ସବୁ ଆମେ କାମ କରୁଛେ ତା'ର ଏଭାଲୁଏସନ୍, ଆମେ କିଏ ଏବଂ ଆମେ ସବୁ କ'ଣ କରୁଛେ, ତ ଏରେ ସବୁ ଯେଉଁ ହିସାବ ଏକ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ଅଣ୍ଡରରେ ହିଁ ଆସୁଛି, ଓକେ। So see that positive self concept. Positive self concept is very necessary to persons for mental and physical health, okay. पॉजिटिव सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट व्यक्ति जो मान थाए पॉजिटिव सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट व्यक्ति मानकर पॉजिटिव वैल्यू आसी थाए, पॉजिटिव टॉकिंग आसे, ओके, पॉजिटिव सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस मध्य आसी थाए, ओके। एंड दैट इज वेरी that positive self concept persons recognize herself or himself and it is very potential and very constant. पॉजिटिव सेल्फ कनसेप्ट व्यक्तिंकर मेंटाल बा फिजिकल इमेज हेल्थ भल रही थाए एवं से निजक निजे भल भाव जानी पारि थांती एवं सेटा very स्ट्रांग होइकि ए पोजिशन रे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंशियल एवं स्ट्रांग होइकि रही थाए। एंड दैट पॉजिटिव सेल्फ कनसेप्ट पर्सन्स डेवलप द इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स and whatever psychological and physical illness comes that will avoided at a very resist, okay, that is avoided by the persons. If it will be exist then will be recovered. तो पॉजिटिव सेल्फ व्यक्तिंकर व्यक्ति मैंने आईपीआर मेंटेन भल कर जो फिजिकल साइकोलॉजिकल जहाँ भी आसी थाए से अवॉइड कर एग्जांपल पॉजिटिव सेल्फ इमेज व्यक्तिंकर किसी एग्जांपल दबा positive self concept persons having positive self concept persons having the very good concept, okay, and very good idea. Example, you see everyone as your equal. positive self concept व्यक्ति माने सबले समस्त को इक्वाल भाव निजक जहाँ देखते अन्य मानक इक्वाल देखि थांती. You see everyone as your equal and you accept challenges as opportunities to grow. Out example होला you accept challenges as opportunity to grow and other example is you value other people. So positive self image रो किसी एग्जांपल देली जे you see everyone as your equal. तमे कौन कर तमर जदि भी किसी टैलेंट रोचे तो तमे निजको निजे सब जे अन्य मान ठारू हायर न रखिकी अन्य मान को भाव जे ये लोक मैंने मो ठारू मो सहित इक्वाल अटंती कि मो ठारू अधिक ज्ञानी बा इंटेलिजेंट अटंती. सब जहाँ भी चैलेंज परिस्थिति जहाँ भी चैलेंज आसू जहाँ भी जो सिचुएसन भी आसू ताको हैंडल कर कैपेसिटी पाखे रही थाए एंड अन्य लोकों प्रति बहुत इंपोर्टेंस दे था. ये हूँ गोटे गोटे एग्जांपल हूँ पॉजिटिव सेल्फ इमेज व्यक्तिंकर. नेक्स्ट कम हियर व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ नर्स. नर्स शुड असेस नेगेटिव सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट एंड आइडेंटिफाई पॉसिबल कॉजेस एंड डेवलप पॉजिटिव व्यू themselves. So in society there have the positive self concept peoples and negative self concept peoples. Positive self concept peoples development and IPR having that persons having the good mental and physical health and always recognize our assets and potential, okay. And negative self concept peoples focus on the weakness and their fault and other fault. Example, when a person sees anyone by their negative thought, that is she is a very bad person and she help to the others. if he or she had not money or power। ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ହେଲା ଯଦି ସେ କୌଣସି ଲୋକକୁ ହେଲ୍ପ କରୁଛି ତାର ପଇସା ନଥିଲେ ବି ସେ ଯଦି ହେଲ୍ପ କରୁଛି ତ କିଛି ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ଥିବ ଯେ ସେ କାହିଁକି ହେଲ୍ପ କରୁଛି ତାର ତ ପଇସା ନାହିଁ, ଏଇଟା ବହୁତ ଖରାପ ଲୋକ, କାହିଁକିନା ତା ପାଖରେ ପଇସା ନାହିଁ। ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ଚିନ୍ତାଧାରା ନ ରଖି ଖରାପ ଚିନ୍ତାଧାରା ସେ ରଖିଥାଏ। So if not finding any negative self concept peoples that will be identify and what are the causes of the causes and develop positive view of themselves। not ସେମିତି କେଉଁ ଟାଇପ୍ର ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ପିପୁଲ୍ ପାଇଥାଏ ତାହେଲେ ତାକୁ ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଫାଇ କରିଥାଏ ଏବଂ ପଜିଟିଭ୍ ଭ୍ୟୁ ତା ଭିତରେ କେମିତି ଜାଗ୍ରତ କରିବ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦେଇଥାଏ। ଓକେ, ଦେ ୱିଲ୍ ଗିଭ୍ କନସିଡରେସନ୍ towards the development of the positive view। okay, negative self concept peoples or poor self concept peoples may express feeling of self dislike even self hatred। ସେମାନେ ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ପିପୁଲ୍ ବା ପୁଅର୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ପିପୁଲ୍ ସେମାନେ ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ ଭଲ ପାଆନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ, ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ ମଧ୍ୟ ବେଳେବେଳେ ଘୃଣା ବି କରିଥାନ୍ତି। ଓକେ, always they may sometimes they may feel sad, hopeless, they have a lack of energy to perform action। ତ ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ପିପୁଲ୍ସ ବା ପୁଅର୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଙ୍କର ଫିଲିଙ୍ଗ ରହିଥାଏ ଯେ ସେମାନେ ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ କେବଳ ଚାହାନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ ବା ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ ଘୃଣା କରିଥାନ୍ତି। ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ସ୍ୟାଡ଼୍ ଆସେ, ହୋପ୍, ସେମାନେ ଲୋନନେସ୍ ଫିଲ୍ କରନ୍ତି, ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କୌଣସି ଏନର୍ଜି ମଧ୍ୟ ନଥାଏ। ବଟ୍ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ପର୍ସନ୍ ସୁଡ୍ ବି ବେଟର୍ ଏବୁଲ୍ ଟୁ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ ଅର୍ ଆଡପ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଚେଞ୍ଜେସ୍। ଯେଉଁଠି ଆମେ ଦେଖିଲେ ପୁଅର୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିମାନଙ୍କର ଫିଲିଙ୍ଗସରେ ସେମାନେ ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ ଚାହାନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ ବା ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ ହାଟେଡ଼ କରନ୍ତି, ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଦୁଃଖ ଆସିଥାଏ, ସେମାନେ ଏକା ଫିଲ୍ କରନ୍ତି, ସେମାନେ କୌଣସି କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କର ପାଖରେ ଏନର୍ଜି ସେତେ ନଥାଏ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ହୁଏ, ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜକୁ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ନ୍ୟୁ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ ସହିତ ଆଡପ୍ଟ କରିକି ରୁହନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଫିଜିକାଲ ହେଲ୍ଥ ଭଲ ଥାଏ। ଆଉ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ଉପରେ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିବା ଜାଣିବା ଯେ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ଜେନେରାଲ ଟର୍ମ that is indicates how someone thinks about, evaluate to action of herself or himself, how to perceives themselves। okay, ତ ଜେନେରାଲ ଟର୍ମରେ କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ଯେ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି ଯେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଛି ଏବଂ ନିଜର ଯାହା ବି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରୁଛି ତାର କ'ଣ ଏଭାଲୁଏସନ୍ ସେ ନିଜେ କରିପାରୁଛି, ତାର ଏଭାଲୁଏସନ୍ ତାର କୌଣସି ନୀତିଦିନ କାମରୁ ଯାହା ବି ସେ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରୁଛି ଯେ go to the company, so how do you work and how to utilize herself। ସେ ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ କ'ଣ ସବୁ ନିଜକୁ ୟୁଟିଲାଇଜ୍ କରିପାରୁଛି, ତାର ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଦ କମ୍ପାନୀ, ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଏଜୁକେସନ୍ସ, ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ୱାର୍କିଂ ଇନ୍ ଦ ପ୍ୟାଡ଼ି ଫିଲ୍ଡ, ଇଫ୍ ହି ଅର୍ ସି ଇଜ୍ ଏ ଫାର୍ମର। ତାହେଲେ ସେ ନିଜେ ନିଜେ କର୍ମକ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ କେମିତି ଡେଭଲପ୍ କରୁଛି ବା ନିଜର ଦକ୍ଷତାକୁ ସେ କେମିତି ୟୁଟିଲାଇଜ୍ କରୁଛି, ତାକୁ ଏଭାଲୁଏସନ୍ ସେ କେମିତି କରୁଛି, ତାହାକୁ ଆମେ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟରେ ନେଇଥାଉ ଏବଂ ଅର୍ ଇଟ୍ ହାଉ ହି ପରସିଭ୍ସ ଦେମସେଲ୍ଭସ୍। So self concept also be include behavior, abilities, unique characteristics। ये मध्य एथरे behavior रहुची जे how to what are the measurable and observable behavior like the how like example already I have given that is some students show their anger by facial expressions and turning their hand away from the teachers। ତ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଯେ ବିହେଭିଅର ଯେ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି, ଆଙ୍ଗର କେମିତି କରନ୍ତି, ତାଙ୍କର ଆଙ୍ଗର କେମିତି ଦେଖାନ୍ତି ନା ଫେସିଆଲ୍ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସନ୍ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଦେଖିଥାନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ହାତ ଛିଞ୍ଚାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଟିଚର୍ଠୁ ଦୂରେଇ ଯାଆନ୍ତି। ଏ ଗୋଟେ ଟାଇପ୍ର ବିହେଭିଅର ଥିଲା। ସୋ ତ ଆମେ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ କହିଲେ କ'ଣ ବୁଝିବା ନା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି କେମିତି ନିଜେ କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଛି, କିଭଳି ତା'ର ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ତା'ର ନିତିଦିନ ଡେଲି ଲାଇଫ୍ରେ ଦେଖାଉଛି ଏବଂ ତା'ର ବିହେଭିଅର ଆବିଲିଟି କ'ଣ ସବୁ ରହିଛି। ସୋ ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ନେଇକି ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ କନସିଡର ଅଫ୍ ଦ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ କନଷ୍ଟିଚୁଏଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟରେ ଏଇସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ରହିଛି। ତ ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି ଯେ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ଅଲସୋ ବି ଅଦର ସାଇକ୍ଲୋ ସେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ଇଜ୍ ଦ କଲେକ୍ସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ବିଲିଭ୍ସ ଏବାଉଟ ୱାନ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ। ସୋ ବିଲିଫ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ଏ ଗୁଡ୍ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ଅର୍ ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ଏ କାଇଣ୍ଡ ଏ ପର୍ସନ୍ସ ପାର୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଆନ୍ ଓଭରଅଲ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ। ତ ବିଲିଫ୍ ଭିତରେ ଯାଉଛି ଯେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ବୋଲି ତାର ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ରହିଛି କିମ୍ବା ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ଦୟାଳୁ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ବୋଲି ରହିଛି। ତେଣୁ ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକ ସବୁ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ୱାନ୍ ଟାଇପ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ସ। So So self concept is included the self perception, how he perceived, how he evaluated their action in daily life, what are the appearance towards others and hurtful himself ତାର appearance କ'ଣ ରହିଛି ନିଜ ପ୍ରତି ବା ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି, what are the values, what are the individual beliefs as they are, okay, and what are the beliefs, what are the opinion of the individuals, ତ beliefs ତାର opinion କ'ଣ ରହୁଛି, values ରେ ତାର individual beliefs କ'ଣ ରହୁଛି, appearance ରେ ସେ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି ତା ନିଜ ପ୍ରତି କ'ଣ ସବୁ ତାର ଦୃଷ୍ଟି ରହିଛି, ଆଉ ସେ how you evaluated how to perform their actions in daily life, how to determine their actions in the daily life and also upon the others, that also be included the self concept. Self concept is also a complex idea, already said that it is included how one person thinks, how to talk, how to acting से କ'ଣ ସବୁ ଡେଲି ଲାଇଫରେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରୁ, ସେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ କେମିତି ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିବି, how to study the lessons and how to goes to the work field and how to the development of the company or educations and how to do manager business and how to, and what about the talking power with anyone, that is effectively communicate with each other, how to act towards my the actions, how to show my action, all are things include the self concept. How to treat to the another persons, how to maintain IPR with another persons or other persons, and what are the choice of me and how to makes a good persons, and what are the ability to do perform the work and how to success the work and how to receive the love and how to give respect love to others, all so these are include the self concept, okay. Then come to the dimension of self concept. So in the dimension of self concept include the self knowledge, so it includes the knowledge of oneself, what are the past experience, present experience, what are the informations and what the ideas, all are included in the knowledge of oneself, okay. And it is include the one's ability or capability to do perform the work and success and reach to the successful in the nature of the work and complete the task by using the knowledge experience, okay. Then come to the self expectations. In the self expectation, what expects of oneself, okay, and that is either realistic expectations and unrealistic expectations. So ଜଣଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ରହୁଛି ଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟ କ'ଣ ରହୁଛି, okay. ତ ଜଣଙ୍କର ଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟ କ'ଣ ରହୁଛି ଯେ ସେଇଟା ରିଏଲିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟେସନ୍ କି ଅନରିଏଲିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟେସନ୍ସ, realistic experience in the realistic experience example, suppose one person expect that we eat sweets or we ride the bikes, it is a realistic because he is favor of the riding the bikes, so it is a realistic expectation. But in the unrealistic expectation, that is the I see that flower will be fly in the sky, it is unrealistic expectations. सो जनकर एक्सपेक्टेशन कौन रोचे जोटा रियलिस्टिक सेटा रियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन बा अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है, रियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन से जोटा पॉसिबल वर्क सेटा होता है, एग्जांपल होची जे बाइक राइडिंग करिया, बाइक राइड को जने करि परिबो नियंती, अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन जे फ्लाई विल दैट इज फ्लावर विल बी फ्लाई इन द स्काई, स्काई आकाश रे कम फ्लावर उड़ीबे, तो यहाँ गोटे इम्पॉसिबल थिंग्स आर इट इज इम्पॉसिबल एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ इंडिविजुअल. So self expectation, it is also undergoes the dimension of a self concept. Then come to the social self. So how a person is perceived by others, okay, and how the person's work will be acceptable by the others, and love affection of the persons will be accepted by the others, okay, and persons also be received to other persons, that is the social self. social self ଭିତରେ କ'ଣ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିକୁ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ କେତେ ରିସିଭ୍ କରିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି, ତାର ଲ ଅଫ୍ ଆଫେକ୍ସନ୍କୁ ନେଇକି କେତେ ସେ ରିସିଭ୍ କରିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି, ତାର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକଳାପକୁ ନେଇ କେତେବେଳେ ରିସିଭ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ତାକୁ ସୋସିଆଲ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ କୁହାଯାଏ। ତ so sometimes individual will be harassment because due to the not cooperative, not having the self and affection towards other, and not having and social loneliness persons will be faces this type of problem। जो मैंने सोसाइटी एकला रही चेष्टा करते से व्यक्ति मैंने बहुत सोशल प्रोब्लेम फेस करती। तो सोशल सेल्फ हूँ भेरी इंपोर्टाट। एथेर व्यक्ति कौन करते अन्य मैंने व्यक्ति को रिसीव जदि ठीक रे करि पारंती ताहले जेकौन प्रोब्लेम फेस करले मध्य सेटा सॉल्व हो जाता है। नेक्स्ट कम टू द सोशल इवैल्यूएशन। द सोशल इवैल्यूएशंस it the evaluate determine the action of individual towards other और also herself himself। निजर एक्शन बा अन्य प्रति एक्शन सब अन्य प्रति तार सब कौन सब रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रही से गुड़ा को आम सोशल इवैल्यूएशन बोली काउंट करि। सो व्हाट आर रिलेशनशिप टुवर्ड्स अदर पियर्स इवेंट सिचुएशन। हमर गोटे इवेंट प्रति कौन सब काम रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रही सिचुएशन प्रति तुम केमती सिचुएशन प्रति तुम सिचुएशन हैंडल करने तुम सब कौन कर तार रिलेशनशिप पियर्स मान सहित केमती रिलेशनशिप रही। तो एगुड़ा सोशल इवैल्यूएशन एगुड़ा सोशल इवैल्यूएशन जाए एगुड़ा डायमेंशन सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट अंडर ही आसी थाए। So what are action taken by the himself or herself in daily life? Action towards a social group, and what are the relation towards the event situations? It is undergo the social evaluation, it is undergo the dimension of self concept। तो dimension self concept रे जान ले the self if individual having the good self concept, then that persons have a good self knowledge, good self expectations, good social self, good social evaluations। Then come to the formation of self concept according to Erikson in the year 1963। Here the throughout the life people faces developmental task that is associated with the 8 psychological stages। So Erikson in the 16th कहले जे हमर टिल टू डेथ माने मरला पर्यंत बा जीवन थिला पर्यंत लोकंर गोटे सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट डेवलपमेंट होता है और सेटा 8टा स्टेज रे 8टा साइकोलॉजिकल स्टेज रे अंतर्भुक्त होता है। सो से 8 साइकोलॉजी स्टेज कौन जोटा कि आमर सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट डेवलपमेंट होता है। इट इज गिवन बाय द साइकोलॉजिस्ट एरिक्सन इन द ईयर 1963। If the persons having the incapability to adjust the situation or coping the situation, then the self concept is very arises a problem in the self concept। So what are the stages that is developed the self concept is developed? It is given by the psychologist Erikson in the year 1963। See that stage in the stage divided into the divided into three parts, that is a development task with development of a self concept, then the behavior indicating positive resolutions, behavior indicating negative resolutions। तो डेवलपमेंट स्टेज रे तार से जो स्टेज रोचे डेवलपमेंट स्टेज से स्टेज रो तार पॉजिटिव सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट कौन रोचे बा नेगेटिव सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट कौन सब रोचे को स्टेज रे कौन रही डिस्क्राइब करबा। सो फर्स्ट लेट्स सी दैट इन्फेंट स्टेज। सो इन द इन्फेंट स्टेज every individual's infant stage comes across trust versus mistrust। So trust comes as well in same time mistrust also comes in the infant stage। So in the positive self concept of the infant stage, that is that individuals request to assistant and expect to receive it and expressing belief of another persons। So in the positive self concept in the infant stage always here in this stage individual trust to other persons, expressing belief of another persons, and request to assistant for doing any work and receive the love and affection of other persons। ଏଥିରେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି କ'ଣ କରେ ନା ଇନଫାଣ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେଜରେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି କ'ଣ କରେ ନା ପଜିଟିଭ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ତାର ଆସିଥାଏ। ପଜିଟିଭ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ସେ କ'ଣ କରେ କୌଣସି ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଯେକୌଣସି କାମ ପାଇଁ ଜଣେ ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଖୋଜିଥାଏ ଏବଂ ଜଣେ ଆସିଷ୍ଟ କିଏ କରନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି ସେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଚାହିଁଥାଏ ଏବଂ ସେ ତାର ଲଭ୍ ଆଫେକ୍ସନ୍ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିଥାଏ ଏବଂ ଯାହା ବି ଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟ କରିଥାଏ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ସେଇଟା ରିସିଭ୍ ଯଦି କିଏ ଦେଲା ସେ ଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟେସନ୍ ତାର କିଏ ଯୋଗାଇ ଦେଲା ତାହେଲେ ସେ ତାକୁ ଖୁସିରେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିଥାଏ ଏବଂ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କର ମଧ୍ୟ ଯେଉଁ ବିଲିଭ୍ସ ବା ଓପିନିଅନ୍ ରହିଛି ତାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍ କରେ ବା ତାକୁ ରିସିଭ୍ କରିଥାଏ ଏବଂ ତାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେୟାର କରିଥାଏ। But negative that individuals infant stage also consists of the negative self concept। ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ଇନଫାଣ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ରେ କ'ଣ ସବୁ ରହିଥାଏ ନା ରିଫ୍ୟୁଜିଂ ଟୁ ପ୍ରୋଭାଇଡ଼ ପର୍ସନ୍ସ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ୍, ଅନଏବଲ୍ ଟୁ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ। ଏଥିରେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି କ'ଣ କରେ ଏଥିରେ ଇନଫାଣ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ରେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି କ'ଣ କରେ ନା କୌଣସି ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ବେଳେବେଳେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି କ'ଣ କରେ ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି କ'ଣ କରେ ନା ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ବା କୌଣସି କାହାଠୁ ହେଲ୍ପ ମାଗିବାକୁ ଚାହାନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ କିମ୍ବା ସେ କୌଣସି ଜିନିଷ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିବାକୁ ମନା କରିଦିଅନ୍ତି କିମ୍ବା କିଛି ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ସେୟାର କରିବାକୁ ଚାହାନ୍ତି ନା। ଓକେ, in the toddler stage that is self development of self confidence, the autonomy versus self doubt। here the in the toddlerhood stage the individual consists the autonomy as well as the self doubt। okay, so in the positive self concept the toddlerhood period the individual accept rule of the groups, they accept the rules and regulations, always accept the wishfulment and expressing disagreement। so in the positive self concept in the toddlerhood stage individual accept rules and regulation of the group। what type of rules is there, that is wake up the morning and do the breakfast, then go to the school, in the school also be some rules is there, that is after complete of the period then come to the home, then task will be do, then will be sleep। that is rules of the some rules and regulation of the group and is always accept the what type of wish of the individual that will be accept and it will be fulfilled by his assistant and expressing disagreement। okay, what type of if the individuals in the toddlerhood stage disagree to any situations, that will be also be said that brother that I can't work properly and I am not agree, that experience also be shared to other person। ତ ଏ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଏଥିରେ ଟୋଲର ପିରିୟଡ଼ରେ ଯଦି କୌଣସି କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବା କୌଣସି ବା ପାଠ ପଢ଼ା ଯଦି ଇଚ୍ଛା ନଥାଏ ସେ ମୋତେ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍ କରିଥାଏ ଏବଂ ଯାହା ସବୁ ୱିଶ୍ ତାର ଫୁଲଫିଲ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହିଁଥାଏ ସେଇଟା ଯଦି ମିଳିଯାଏ ସେଇଟା ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କରିଯାଏ ଏବଂ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ର ରୁଲ୍ ଯାହା ଅଛି ସେ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କରେ। ସକାଳୁ ଉଠିବା, ତାପରେ ବ୍ରେକଫାଷ୍ଟ କରିକି ସ୍କୁଲ ଯିବା, ଲଞ୍ଚ କରିକି ପୁଣି କ୍ଲାସ୍ ସାରିକି ଘରେ ଫେରିବା, ପୁଣି ଟାସ୍କ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ କରିକି ପୁଣି ଶୋଇବା, ଏଇଟା ରୁଲ୍ ତ ଅଛି ଏବଂ ସୋସାଇଟିର ମଧ୍ୟ ରୁଲ୍ ଯାହା ବି ରହିଛି cannot attempt to the thief, cannot playing the games during the class time, ତ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ଖେଳିବା ନାହିଁ ବା କି ଚୋରି କରିବା ନାହିଁ, ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ସୋସାଇଟିର ରୁଲ୍ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ସେ ମାନିଥାଏ। ତ ସେଇଥିରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ କିଛି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଥାନ୍ତି ଯେଉଁମାନେ କି ତାଙ୍କର କିଛି ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସନ୍ ସେୟାର ଦେ ଡୁ ନଟ୍ ସେୟାର ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସନ୍ ଟୁୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ଅଦର like the positive or that is positive or negative। and not expressing one's one opinion also. Okay, ଜଣଙ୍କ କିଛି opinion ମଧ୍ୟ share କରନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ. Then come to the early childhood. Early childhood, it includes the both innocent and versus guilt. In the positive self-concept persons in the early childhood, there are they will expression, they also express their original thought. So what are the thought, what are the plannings or ideas comes to complete the task, that will be demonstrated. And by the interest, they start their project, they start their work. But the negative self-concept peoples in the early childhood period, they always when see that any new project, so they express fear, and always do the apologize, and say sorry to other, and always create the limitations. In the early school period, it included the industry versus inferior. Here the in the positive self concept peoples in the early school period, they complete their task. So what type of lessons given, they always complete, and what type of job work, they also be complete. Also they do the deal or communicated with the other persons for successful of the work. But negative self concept peoples in the early childhood, in the early school period, they cannot do their complete their task, cannot success their work, and any work he only incapability to organized. Okay, and they cannot set their goals or aims to successful of the work. ତ ସେମାନେ କେବେ କୌଣସି ଗୋଲ୍ ରଖନ୍ତିନି ଯେ ଫ୍ୟୁଚର୍ ପାଇଁ, ଯେଉଁଟାକି ତାଙ୍କର କମ୍ପାନୀ ହେଉ ବା ବିଜନେସ୍ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ହେଉ ସକ୍ସେସ୍ ହେବା ପାଇଁ, କିମ୍ବା କିଛି କୌଣସି କାମ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେ ଠିକ୍ ଭାବରେ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜ୍ କରନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ. ଦେନ୍ କମ୍ ଟୁ ଦ ଆର୍ଲି ଆଡଲ୍ଟହୁଡ୍. ଇନ୍ ଦ ଆର୍ଲି ଆଡଲ୍ଟ ପିରିୟଡ଼, the individual has intimacy versus isolation. Some individual has the in positive self concept peoples in the early adult period, that peoples include in the positive self concept such as intimacy, and the negative self concept is the isolation. Negative self concept isolationଥାଏ ଏବଂ positive self concept ଥାଏ intimacy. Here persons always keep close relationship with others and give a commitment. But in the negative self concept peoples in the early childhood period, they always lovable to remain alone and avoid closeness, and avoid to maintaining IPR. The middle age peoples in the positive self concept always keeping willing to share opinion with others, and also person guiding to others. But negative self concept peoples uh, only talked of herself or themselves, and they cannot listens of any opinion of other persons. ସେମାନେ ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ସେକନ୍ସ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ମିଡ଼ିଲ୍ ଏଜ୍ ଆଡଲ୍ଟ ପିରିୟଡ଼ରେ କୌଣସି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଙ୍କର କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ, ନିଜର ଯାହା ବି କଥା ରହିଛି, ନିଜର ଯାହା ବି କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ସେଗୁଡ଼ା ସେ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସନ୍ କରିଥାନ୍ତି. ବଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ଓଲ୍ଡର ଆଡଲ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍, the persons in the positive self concept keep integrity of their experience, and in the negative self concept in the older period, the peoples undergo the despair. So in the positive self concept peoples in the older period always using past experience, they accept any limitations. But in the negative self concept peoples in the older adult period, they becomes crying, and they are not using their experience, and not accepting the changes, and not adapt to the any situations comes faces in that period. Then come to the component of self concept. So concept has the four component like the personal identity, body image, role performance, and self esteem. So in the personal identity, it include the person's name, age, race, ethnic origin, culture, occupation, talent, and other categories like the marital status and educations. So in the self concept, we identify the persons through by the name, age, and the races. Okay. uh, Races, in the races according to the skin color we identify the persons, and ethnic origins like the Bengali, Assam peoples, by the language will also be identified. According to culture also be identified. According to the occupations roles, in the occupation, if the medication is prescribed by the individual, that is not a doctor. So in the occupation we identify that it is a doctor. And during by the talent, if the individual doing some successful work, that is we identify that it is very good personality and a good talented peoples. Talented peoples, it by talent also I identify the persons. And according to marriage status and education also I identify the persons. If it person's marriage, then we will say that it is a it is a marriage, it is a married persons. Through by the educations or the higher educations we know that according to profession also, it is a engineer persons, and it is a pharmacy persons also identify. So according to personal identity we also be identify the persons. Then come to the body image. In the body image, we identify persons according to the size, appearance, and functioning of the body part. তার କେଉଁ ଟାଇପ୍ର ସାଇଜ୍ ରହିଛି, ସେ ସାଇଜ୍ ଅନୁସାରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ବଡ଼ି ଇମେଜ୍ ଅନୁସାରେ ତାର ଆପିଆରାନ୍ସ କ'ଣ ରହିଛି, ତାର ଲୁକ୍ କ'ଣ ରହିଛି, ଏବଂ ତାର ବଡ଼ି ପାର୍ଟ ଠିକ୍ରେ ଫଙ୍କସନ୍ କରୁଛି କି ନାହିଁ, ସେ ଅନୁସାରେ ବଡ଼ି ଇମେଜ୍ରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏଇ ବଡ଼ି ଇମେଜ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟରେ ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡ୍ ଅଛି। ତ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର ସାଇଜ୍, ଆପିଆରାନ୍ସ, ଫଙ୍କସନିଂ ବଡ଼ି ପାର୍ଟ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆମେ ବଡ଼ି ଇମେଜ୍ ଜାଣିଥାଉ। ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଇମେଜ୍ ଅଫ୍ ୱାନ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ ଅର୍ ହିମସେଲ୍ଫ, ହର୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ ଅର୍ ଫିଜିକାଲ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ। ଜଣେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର ଫିଜିକାଲକୁ ଦେଖି ତାର ଇମେଜ୍ କ'ଣ ରହିଥାଏ ଜାଣି ହୋଇଥାଏ। ତାର ସାଇଜ୍ ଅନୁସାରେ ସେ ଥିନ୍ ଅଛି କି ଫ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ଜାଣି, ତାର ଆପିଆରାନ୍ସ, ତାର ସ୍କିନ୍, ତାର ଗ୍ଲେଜି ଆପିଆରାନ୍ସ କି ଡଲ୍ ଆପିଆରାନ୍ସ ତା ଜାଣି ହୋଇଥାଏ। ଏବଂ ତା ବଡ଼ି ପାର୍ଟର ଯଦି କିଛି ହାତ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ କରୁଛି, ଗୋଡ଼ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ କରୁଛି, ଚାଲି ପାରୁଛି, ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ଜାଣୁଛେ ତାର ବଡ଼ି ପାର୍ଟର ଫଙ୍କସନ୍ ଠିକ୍ ରହୁଛି। ସୋ ଏଇଟାକୁ ଆମେ ବଡ଼ି ଇମେଜ୍ ବୋଲି କହିଥାଉ। Then come to the role performance. In the role performance, how to identify the role of a person, how a person express his or role. Person is like an actor or on a stage. So example is given, the person is like an actor on his stage. Okay. ତାହେଲେ ରୋଲ୍ ପରଫର୍ମାନ୍ସରେ ଜାଣିଲେ ଯେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି କ'ଣ କରୁଛି ନା କିଭଳି ଟାଇପ୍ର ସେ ତା'ର ରୋଲ୍ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍ କରିପାରୁଛି, ସେ କି ଟାଇପ୍ର ଆକ୍ଟିଂ କରିପାରୁଛି। ଓକେ, ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ କଲଚରାଲ୍ ରୋଲ୍ ଗିଭେନ୍ ବାଇ କଲଚର୍, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ପ୍ରିଷ୍ଟ। ଆମେ ରୋଲ୍ ପରଫର୍ମାନ୍ସ ଦେଖିବା, ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଦେବା ଯେ କଲଚରରେ ରୋଲ୍ ପ୍ରିଷ୍ଟ ମାନଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ରହୁଛି। ଓକେ, ପ୍ରିଷ୍ଟ ମାନଙ୍କର ସେ ଯେଉଁ ପୂଜା କରନ୍ତି କିମ୍ବା କୌଣସି ଜାତକ ମନାନ୍ତି କିମ୍ବା ଯେକୌଣସି ପୂଜା ଅର୍ଚ୍ଚନା କାମ କରିଥାନ୍ତି, ସେଇଟା ହେଉଛି ପ୍ରିଷ୍ଟର ରୋଲ୍। କଲଚର ରୋଲ୍ ଭିତରେ ସୋସିଆଲ୍ ରୋଲ୍ ରହୁଛି, ପ୍ରିଷ୍ଟ ମାନଙ୍କର ରହୁଛି। ସୋ ଇନ୍ ଦ ରୋଲ୍ ପରଫର୍ମାନ୍ସ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ସେଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟେସନ୍ସ ହାଉ ଦ ପର୍ସନ୍ ଅକୁପାଇଂ ଅନ୍ ପଜିଟିଭ୍ ବିହେଭ୍। ଓକେ, ତ ରୋଲ୍ ପରଫର୍ମାନ୍ସରେ ରୋଲ୍ କ'ଣ ଆମେ ବୁଝିଲେ ନା, ରୋଲ୍ ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ କିଛି ଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟେସନ୍ ରହୁଛି, ଯେଉଁ ଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟେସନ୍ ଦ୍ୱାରା ସେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି କ'ଣ କରୁଛି, ସେ ତା'ର ଆକ୍ଟିଂ କରୁଛି। ଓକେ, ତାର ବିହେଭଟାକୁ ସେଇଠାରେ ସେଇ ପୋଜିସନରେ ରଖୁଛି। ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ କଲଚରାଲ୍ ରୋଲ୍ ଭିତରେ ପ୍ରିଷ୍ଟ, ଯଦି ପ୍ରିଷ୍ଟ ମାନଙ୍କର ଦେଖିବା, ସେମାନେ ଦେ ୱିଲ୍ ବି ୱାର୍ସିପ୍ god. Okay, so in the cultural role, role given by culture, that is priest. In the social differentiation, the role of teacher to educate the students, taxi driver drive the taxi for bring for reaches the passenger their original place. Okay, so in the role performance रे कौन रोचे ना व्यक्ति को टाइप रो तार रोल करुछि गोटे टीचर एजुकेशन दउछि स्टूडेंट मानकु एग्जांपल जदि दबा टीचर स्टूडेंट मानकु एजुकेशन दउछि टैक्सी ड्राइवर से पैसेंजर को नै कि ता जगह रे छाडुछि एवं प्रीस्ट माने कोन करते पूजा अर्चना काम रे रहउछन्ती ए सब गोटे टाइप रो एग्जांपल हला रोल परफॉर्मेंस रो ओके यह गोटे सेल्फ एक्सपेक्टेशन तार जहाँ कम करवा अच्छी तो सही कम प्रति से दे विल बी लुक फॉरवर्ड एंड दे शो देयर एक्शन रोल ओके तो सोसाइटी जेकोसी व्यक्ति रही किसी रोल रही है हाउस वाइफ से दे विल बी रोल एज द कुकिंग टीचर्स हैज रोल टू टीच द स्टूडेंट्स प्रीस्ट आल्सो हैज रोल टू वर्शिप द गॉड तो यही टाइप सब सोसाइटी विभिन्न व्यक्ति रोल परफॉर्मेंस रही देन कम टू द सेल्फ इस्टीम so before self esteem discussion so first I see that in the role performance stage the is psychologist in Kuhn in the year 1960 so they investigate self image by using the 20 statement test से सेल्फ इमेज को 20टा स्टेटमेंट टेस्ट द्वारा सेल्फ इमेज को जानी थिले तो जितले ही here when he asked to the other persons who am I so peoples give their answer in 20 different way जितले से लोक पचारथिले क्वेश्चन पचारथिले who am I बोली से सेथरु 20टा वे रे से तार आंसर पाइथिले so these are the list of answer of the questions who am I it will be answer comes through by the example so the peoples gives the 4 types of response so the question बचले who am I से who am I answer response and से who am I question रा answer मध्य मिलितला एवं ता चारोटी response चारोटी भागरे response मिलितला ताको describe कराइछि okay so in the year 1960 Kuhn is a psychologist gave the investigation to self image by the 20 different statement test and give their response so here he find the response like the physical description some people said that when he asked the questions who am I then he found the 20 different statement in a different way and their response comes from the peoples and that response is described below like the response like the physical description some persons said that when he asked the question who am I some persons said that I am tall have a blue eye it is a physical description and some persons also said that I am a house student I am a housewife I am a member of football team so that is included under the social role so it is a social role is given by the Kuhn and some persons also said that I am impulsive I am generous I tend to worry a lot I have I have done a good hardworking job so it is included in the personal trait the psychologist said that the persons who have said that I am impulsive I am a good hardworking okay I am generous so psychologist said that it is the psychologist Kuhn said that it is under in the personal trait so it is belongs to the personal trait stage and some persons also said that I am a child of the universe to I am a human being କିଛି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆରୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ ବିଙ୍ଗ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଏ ସ୍ପିରିଚୁଆଲ୍ ବିଙ୍ଗ ଓକେ ମୁଁ କିଏ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ସ୍ପିରିଚୁଆଲ୍ ଅଟେ ଆଧ୍ୟାତ୍ମିକରେ ମୁଁ ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡ଼ ହେଇଛି। ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜିଷ୍ଟ ଖୁନ୍ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକ ସବୁ ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟେନ୍ସିଆଲ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଟେ ବା ଆବଷ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ ୱାନ୍ସ ଅଟେ। ଓକେ, ଦେନ୍ କମ୍ ଟୁ ଦ ସେଲ୍ଫ ଇଷ୍ଟେମ୍। Self esteem is the person's worth or value. Okay, in other word, how much you appreciate or like yourself. ओके, तो सेल्फ इस्टीम कौन कहले कौन बुझ ना जनकर रोथ बा भैल्यू को सेल्फ इस्टीम कह जाए। निजर इंडिविजुअल बिलीफ केते रही ताकू सेल्फ इस्टीम कह जाए। आउ अन्य अर्थरे कह गले जे से निजे तुम निज केते एप्रिशिएट रहीच बा निजको केते तुम लाइक करूछ भल पाउछ तो ताकू कहते सेल्फ इस्टीम। इट इज ए डिग्निटी ऑफ वन सेल्फ आल्सो एंड इट इज ऑल्सो वन्स एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स वन सेल्फ। निजर तुम एटीट्यूड तुम प्रति कौन रही ताकू सेल्फ इस्टीम कह जाए एंड दैट एटीट्यूड आइदर फेवरेबल और अनफेवरेबल। Here individual performance also compared to the others and one's ideal self. Self esteem हेले कहले कौन बुझल ना इट इज ए जजमेंट ऑफ वन सेल्फ, इट इज ए पर्सन्स ओन्स ग्रोथ और वैल्यू, इट इज व्हाट आर द इंडिविजुअल बिलीफ्स। ओके, ताको आम कहते सेल्फ इस्टीम। इट इज ऑल्सो डिग्निटी ऑफ ए पर्सन्स एंड इट ऑल्सो भी इनक्लूड हाउ मच तुम केमी तुम निज के भल पाच लाइक व्हाट आर द लाइक्स योर सेल्फ एंड हाउ यू कंपेयर योर सेल्फ टू अनदर पर्सन्स एंड इट इज ऑल्सो इनक्लूड द वन्स एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स वन सेल्फ। Then come to the judgment. When in workplaces or in classroom, if you given if the teacher or the authority given 6 topics, so at that time we think that how will we remember, how will we complete the task, and it is approve or disapprove for herself or himself. And this judgment also affect how we behave, how much we think, and how do the success. So judgment stage रे कौन हुए ना आम कौन सी जिनस तार सॉल्यूशन बाहर करि थाउ, तार सॉल्यूशन तैयारी करू एवं सेटा सक्सेस करने को चेष्टा करि थाउ। तो से टाइप जो टाइप बिहेव रही है से बिहेव को आम स्पेंड करके से टाइप बिहेव शो करके आम वर्क को सक्सेस करि थाउ। तो एग्जांपल हला जदि कौन सी तुमको बेले बेले जदि कौन सी 6टा टॉपिक दि जाउछि कौन सी कंपनी रे कॉलेज स्कूल दि जाउछि ताहले तापरे सेटा अप्रूव हो कि डिसअप्रूव हो निज ऊपर डिपेंड करे। ओके, एबे सेटा सक्सेस हो कि अनसक्सेसफुल हो ता जजमेंट मध्य निज ऊपर डिपेंड करे। तुम जो टाइप ताकू से काम को करि चलिबो से उपाय सेटा सक्सेस हो एवं सॉल्यूशन मध्य पाई परिबो। देन कम टू द आइडियल सेल्फ। Ideal self, it is an idealized version of yourself created when you have learned from your life experience. Okay, जितले तुम जितले निज निजे जितले आइडिया किसी आइडिया बा प्लानिंग तैयारी करि थाओ एवं ताकू निजर कर्म क्षेत्र लगे थाओ सेटा को आइडियल सेल्फ बोली कह जाए। डेली लाइफ रे तुम किसी आइडिया खर्च करता ताकू तुम आइडिया बोली तुम आइडियल सेल्फ अटो बोली कह जाए। जो टाइप आइडियल सेल्फ आइडिया खटे था से टाइप वर्क मत सक्सेस होता है एवं यह लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस रु शिखी था। सो इन द आइडियल सेल्फ व्हाट यू लाइक टू बी तुम कौन करने को भल पाओ से आइडिया किसी खर्च करी आइडियल सेल्फ बोली कह जाए था। एग्जाम्पल your ideal self might be someone who spend more time to study science subject but not QC at sight of blood. Okay. If your real life is far from idealized image, you feel dissatisfaction and consider your life failure. सो आइडियल सेल्फ कहले कौन बुझला मेथर आइडियल सेल्फ अर्थ है व्यक्ति निजे निजे वर्क सक्सेस कौन सब आइडिया स्पेंड करुच्ची एवं यह निज यह लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस आम नीतिदिन जीवन में घटी जहाँ सब एक्सपीरियंस रही से क्रिएट होता है। एग्जाम्पल है जड़े व्यक्ति निजर आइडिया खर्च करके जदि गोटे +2 साइंस सब्जेक्ट को भल भाव पढ़ी पारा एवं से कौन सी प्रोब्लेम फेस कला ना फिजिकल फेस कलानी तापर से कौन कला ना से आइडिया खर्च करके से +2 साइंस सब्जेक्ट को पढ़ला एवं ता मन रखी सक्सेस हो पारा। जदि तुम किसी आइडियल इमेज नथिबो रियल लाइफ रे ताहले तुम कौन सी काम सक्सेस करि परिबो नहीं एवं तुम लाइफ फेल्योर हो पारिबो हे जिवो। एंड आइडियल सेल्फ रे व्हाट यू एक्सपेक्ट एंड व्हाट यू हार्ड लाइक तुम जहाँ लाइक अच्छ से आइडिया खर्च करके तुम से काम को सक्सेस करवा उचित। When person's self image is different to ideal self, that stage known as incongruous stage. It is a difference between person's ideal self and actual experience. जे जहाँ एक्सपीरियंस बा सेल्फ इमेज तार भी जहाँ भी रही तार एक्चुअल एक्सपीरियंस जहाँ रही जदि से एक्सपीरियंस रू जदि आइडियल भर्सन बा आइडियल भर्सन जदि अलग है से स्टेज को आम इनकंग्रुअस स्टेज को इनकंग्रुअस स्टेज व्यक्ति अच्छी बोली कही था। हियर सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन इज डिफिकल्ट इंडिविजुअल cannot be determine what type of work he is done and what type of like dislike that will very difficult to understand herself or himself। तो इनकॉन्ग्रुअस स्टेज रे कौन है ना व्यक्ति तार जहाँ एक्चुअल एक्सपीरियंस अच्छी किंतु आइडियल सेल्फटा ताठार अलग हो जाए एथरे व्यक्तिर सेल्फ इमेजटा आइडियल सेल्फ ठारू अलग अच्छी। सेल्फ इमेज होची कौन ना कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ वन सेल्फ और मेंटल पिक्चर ऑफ वन सेल्फ डिटरमाइन सक्सेस ऑफ रिलेशनशिप। ओके इट इनक्लूड्स हाउ यू फील अबाउट योर स्ट्रेंथ वीकनेस। तो सेल्फ इमेज होची जे तमे तमे केमिति तुम स्ट्रेंथ वीकनेस प्रति केमिति फील कर पारुछ तुम स्ट्रेंथ अच्छी कि वीकनेस अच्छी तमे केमिति सक्सेसफुल रिलेशन रखी पारछ कि नहीं एवं तुम मेंटल पिक्चर कौन रही मत सेल्फ इमेज रे एगुड़ा सब सेल्फ इमेज रे इनक्लूड अटे। So when person's self image is different to the ideal self, person's self actualization is very difficult and it is a difference between the person's ideal self and actual experience. Then when person's self image is similar to ideal self, that is known as that is undergo the concurrent stage. Here person has a self actualization, he do know the what type of work and what type of feeling strength etc. And here ideal self and actual experience is very similar. Okay. According to Mitchell Argel in the year 2008 say that there are 4 major factors which influence development. So in the year 2008 according to Mitchell Argel is a psychologist who said that there is a many factors affect to the development of self concept. Here he said that there is a many factors which affect to the individual, they will be react to others, and always think that how he compared to the others, and do the better work, successful the work, and we also determine our social roles. I will become a doctor, I will become a pharmacist, I will become engineer, I will become a technician, etc. And also be decide by the yourself. Also we identify the other persons by their roles, by their performance, by their designations. Okay, then come to the Maslow's two subset of estimates. Already I said that in the psychology, that Maslow theory of hierarchy needs, Maslow theory of hierarchy needs. So in the Maslow theory is that the individual have the self esteem. Okay, self-esteem, already I said that self-esteem is a person's own worth or value, and it is your appearance, how you appreciate with other and yourself, and what are the likes yourself, dislike yourself. What are the like yourself, it is on, it is a self dignity. Okay, and it is also attitude towards others, it is on including the self-esteem. So Maslow said that self-esteem needs are such as your strength, your achievement, your competence, confidence. Okay, and also the individual needs respect. Okay, and also individual needs their recognitions, attention, importance. Also some individuals also in the self example of a self-esteem that persons wants to become politician and finding respects and dignity from others, so that also be so different type of attitude towards others, and always likes herself himself because he or she is a politician. Next come to the stages in the development of the step, that is first is self awareness, self recognition, self definition, self concept. Self awareness comes in the infancy period, and here in the infant stage, the child will be conscious of conscious about their knowledge, and you will know about that type of objects works. Okay, and it is and the child also conscious of knowledge of one's own character, and they have the feeling. Okay, here individuals, here the child has the open mind, and also be child practices herself for the discipline. Okay, ତ ସେଲ୍ଫ ଆୱାରନେସ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ରେ ଇନଫା ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍କୁ ଆମେ ସେଲ୍ଫ ଆୱାରନେସ୍ କହିଥାଉ। ଏଥିରେ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ କ'ଣ କରିଥାଏ, ନିଜେ କନସିୟସ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ରେ ଥାଏ, ସେ ଜାଣିପାରେ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ, ତାକୁ ସେଥିରେ ନଲେଜ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ ଗେନ୍ ହୋଇଥାଏ, ସେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଡିସିପ୍ଲିନ୍ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରିଥାଏ। ଓକେ, ଏବଂ ଫିଲିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ ତା ପାଖରେ ଆସିଥାଏ, ଯେ କୌଣସି କାମ ପ୍ରତି ଫିଲିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ଆସେ କିମ୍ବା କୌଣସି ଇଚ୍ଛା ବଳୀ ସେ ମଧ୍ୟ ରଖିଥାଏ। Then self recognition is it is comes in the period of 18 months. Here the persons recognize of one's own self, that is who am I। ଏଥିରେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଙ୍କର ରେକଗ୍ନାଇଜ୍ ନିଜେ ରେକଗ୍ନାଇଜ୍ କରେ ଯେ ମୁଁ କିଏ ବୋଲି, ସେ ରେକଗ୍ନାଇଜ୍ କରିପାରେ ମୋର କାମ କ'ଣ, ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଟାଇପ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ସ, ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଟାଇପ୍ ଅଫ୍ ରୋଲ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ମାଇ ଅଫ୍ ୟୋର୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ, ଓକେ, ଅର୍ ଓନ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ, and what type of attitudes towards others also decided by the individual. In the self definition stage, it is comes in the period of 3 years. Here persons gain their temporary behavior and character, what type of character, and what type of attitude, what type of actions will be shown by the individual. It comes in the period of 3 years. In the period of 6 to 7 years, self concept period, in the here the individual create their mental image or picture, and uh, already said that self concept, that is what are the ability or actions for herself or himself, what are the appearance, experience, desire, feelings, all are including the self concept in the period of the 6 to 7 years. And it also individual collect their beliefs, what type beliefs also include what type of beliefs possesses by the individual, that will determine the individual କ'ଣ ସବୁ beliefs ରହିଛି, ତାର appearance କ'ଣ, ତାର feelings କ'ଣ ରହିଛି, ତାର ability କ'ଣ ସବୁ ରହିଛି, ୱାର୍କ କୌଣସି ୱାର୍କ ପାଇଁ ତାର mental image କ'ଣ, ତା 6 to 7 year ଭିତରେ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡର ଆସିଥାଏ। Then come to the internal and external resources. Then come to the internal external resources. Internal resources like the person strengthening power, and external resources are the supporting system of the person's situations. তাহলে ইন্ଟরনাল রিসোর্স ভিতরে ପର୍ସନାଲ୍ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେନ୍ଥ ଯାଉଛି ଏବଂ ଏକ୍ସଟର୍ନାଲ୍ ରିସୋର୍ସ ଭିତରେ ପର୍ସନାଲ୍ର ସିଚୁଏସନାଲ୍ ସପୋର୍ଟ ସବୁ କ'ଣ ରହିଛି, ସେଗୁଡ଼ାକ ସବୁ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟର ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିଥାଏ। ସୋ persons if you determine the individual becomes healthy, some internal resources are required that help the development of the self concept, positive self concept of the peoples. So they look good look to others, and they always be helpfulness, that is help they always be try to understand the other people's problem and solve the problems, make judgment, decision, okay, and become self awareness. So positive self concept will be established by the help of by through the their internal strength of the persons. What type of situations what type of problems comes, and how to handle the situations and find the solutions, it is determined by the self concept of the people. तो कोउ टाइप प्रॉब्लम आसला किबळी हैंडल करिबा एवं कौन सॉल्यूशन ता रही या सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट द्वारा मध्य जानी होई थाए। सो व्यक्ति केमिति सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट को यूज करके तार सिचुएशन को हैंडल करूची, ओके केमिति करूची, first through by the self concept persons receive the what type of situations going on, okay, and through by the internal external resources through by the situational support, like the if the person in the action person in the persons are standing in front of the accident of the persons, so that at the time the through by the vehicle is external support, through that through by the vehicle they will reaches the person in the hospitals, or if he is a professional of the doctor or nurses, they will be some treatment provided. It is a external situational support, according to the situations they will handle and solve the problem. And the sometimes persons apply the coping mechanism, that is already said that in the hostel there is a lighting in the night, so that some persons are the sleeping and some persons will be studying. So we will adjust the we will apply the coping mechanism. So you will think that if the lighting is there, also I also sleep. If there is lighting, no lighting, also I will sleep. तो लाइट थाउ न थाउ निजे शोइबा एवं पढ़िबा। तो हॉस्टल रूल्स जहाँ भी रही भी तो आम से हॉस्टल जहाँ भी रूल अच्छे मानवे और सिचुएसन सहित आडजस्ट करवा। तो ये रहा गोटे हूँ एग्जांपल। तो सो अप्लाई द कोपिंग मेकानिज्म थ्रू बाय द सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट टू एडजस्ट द सिचुएशंस, ओके। देन कम टू द नर्सिंग इंटरवेंशन। So for the development of a self concept, nurse created the positive self concept or positive view of the individual, and establish a therapeutic relationship and maintain eye pair with other persons, and always assist the individual how to evaluate their actions and what are the attitude remains towards other and always makes the changes their behavior। ତ ଏଥିରେ ନର୍ସ ରୋଲ୍ କ'ଣ ରହୁଛି ନା ଗୋଟେ ପଜିଟିଭ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଭିତରେ ଆଣିବା ବା ପଜିଟିଭ୍ ଭ୍ୟୁ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରାଇବା, ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସେପ୍ଟକୁ ଦୂର କରିବା ଏବଂ ସେଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଥେରାପି ରିଲେସନସିପ୍ ଆଇପିଆର୍ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ କରିବା। ସେମାନେ ସେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଆଇପିଆର୍ ରିଲେସନସିପ୍ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ କରିପାରିବ, କେମିତି ତାର ବିହେଭିଅର୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହୋଇପାରିବ ଏବଂ ନିଜର ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ସବୁ କ'ଣ ରହିଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦେବ। Always he also provide accurate information what type of action is needed for him, always avoid criticism and always explore the client's positive qualities and strength। Okay, then come to the sexuality। If person has having the minute if person is undergoing an accident or person has any type of disorder disease, if the person has any type of infection inflammations by which disease will be created, so every system sometimes systems will be affected and it will be causes the sexual dysfunctions। The persons cannot drive through by the sex and also their role also be changed। So nurses has main role in that situations। So rehabilitation nurses will be interfere in these situations and always he rehabilitation nurse also in a very good positions and although what type of problem is there they will be find out and nurses try to overcome the barrier। Okay, and provide educations to the individuals and also giving care and promote maintain sexual health। Okay, and giving the sexual health educations knowledge। Okay, then assess then skill in assessing and interviewing। ତାହେଲେ ଏଥିରେ କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି ନା କୌଣସି ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି ବା ଇଲନେସ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ରେ ହେଉଛି କିମ୍ବା ଇନଫେକ୍ସନ୍ ଦ୍ୱାରା କୌଣସି ଡିଜିଜ୍ କଣ୍ଡିସନ୍ ହେଉଛି ତାହେଲେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର ସେକ୍ସୁଆଲ୍ ଡିସଫଙ୍କସନ୍ ରହିଯାଉଛି, ସେକ୍ସୁଆଲ୍ ଡିଜାୟାର କମିଗଲା ଏବଂ ତାର ରୋଲ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯାଉଛି। ତାହେଲେ ଏଥିରେ ନର୍ସ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ରିଅଲ୍ ନର୍ସ ରହନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କର ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଭୂମିକା ଭେରି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ରୋଲ୍ ରହିଛି। ସେମାନେ ବହୁତ ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟାଇଜ୍ ପର୍ସନ୍ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସାଇଜ୍ ପର୍ସନ୍ସ ଦେ ଗିଭିଂ ଦ health they found the health related issues and the sexual dysfunction issues and they will plant and spend their idea and develop and promote maintain patient health। ସେମାନେ patient health maintain କରିବା promote କରିବା ପାଇଁ try and always ସେମାନେ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ନେଇଥାନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ସ୍କିଲ୍ ଆସେସ୍ କିଛି ସ୍କିଲ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଖେଇଥାନ୍ତି। Also nurse develop within the client about the awareness that is develop the self awareness that is what type of action or character or feeling of the persons that will be instructed to the patient and what type of the beliefs attitudes and what are the values will be possessed by the person that will develop by the nurses। so ଏଥିରେ ନର୍ସ କ'ଣ କରେ ନା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର କ'ଣ ସବୁ ଆୱାରନେସ୍ କେଉଁ ଦିଗ ପ୍ରତି ରହିଛି, ତାର ସେକ୍ସୁଆଲ୍ ଡିଜାୟାର କ'ଣ ରହିବା ଉଚିତ, ତାର ବିଲିଫ୍ସ କ'ଣ ରହିବା ଉଚିତ, ଆଟିଚ୍ୟୁଡ଼ କ'ଣ ରହିବା ଦରକାର, ତାର ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ କ'ଣ ରହିଛି ଏବଂ ତାର କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର କ'ଣ ରହିବା ଉଚିତ, ତାର ଫିଲିଂ କ'ଣ ରହିବା କଥା ସବୁ ତାକୁ ସେ ଆଡ଼ଭାଇସ୍ ବା ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ୍ ଦେଇଥାଏ, ତାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରିଥାଏ ଏବଂ ହୋଲିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ କେୟାର ଉପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ତାକୁ ହୋଲିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ କେୟାର ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଇଥାଏ। ଏବଂ ରିହାବିଲିଟେସନ୍ ନର୍ସ ମଧ୍ୟ କ'ଣ କରେ assess the experiencing of disability having chronic illness aging does not need to translate to permanent sexual loss or eliminate the ability to give and receive affection। ଏଥିରେ ରିହାବିଲିଟେସନ୍ ନର୍ସର କାମ କ'ଣ ନା ରିହାବିଲିଟେସନ୍ ନର୍ସର ମଧ୍ୟ ଅନ୍ୟ କିଛି ସବୁ କାମ ରହିଛି ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି ସେ ଦେଖେ ଯେଉଁଟା ଡିଜାବିଲିଟି ପର୍ସନ୍ ଯେଉଁମାନେ କ୍ରୋନିକ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏଜିଂ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପରମାନେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସୁଆଲ୍ ଲସ୍ ନ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦେଇଥାଏ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କ ଲଭ୍ ଆଫେକ୍ସନ୍କୁ ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଲଭ୍ ଆଫେକ୍ସନ୍ ଅଛି ସେ ପ୍ରତି ଲଭ୍ ଆଫେକ୍ସନ୍ କେମିତି ରହିବ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଇଥାଏ। ଓକେ, ତାଙ୍କୁ ତା ଡିଜିଜ୍ଟା କେୟାର କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରନ୍ତି। ତ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ସେକ୍ସୁଆଲିଟି ଓଭର୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ତ ସେକ୍ସୁଆଲିଟି ଆଣ୍ଡ ସେଲ୍ଫ କନସିୟସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଓଭର୍। ଓକେ।